have a power so strong it makes the sound of a gong. We are unapologetically black.
My poem was about the 1619 project and how music and other things connected to it. How people lived off of that, how people, how that was their life and that was their way of living and communicating with each other. For the whole class, it was one of our major projects for like a lot of our grade. We all did pretty good in my opinion. MCS assemblies are very communal. Like if the whole upper school is there, everyone's gonna do something like together. Like either if it's singing, having a speech, even if it's just one grade, we'll do it like together. We'll show love to each other, give each other shine, all of that. Like even today, when people were clapping and snapping, and yeah. The performance was scary. It was nice to feel completed after you did it. It was nice to do it. You feel happy. You have a smile on your face after you did it. But it is scary. Whatever people tell you, it is at the start. But everybody's gonna care about what you have to say. Even some people might not like it. Some people will. Collaborating with Cesar was very nice. We're a really good like team when it comes like to writing and editing. I am personally better at editing, so I help him with the writing, but he does most of it. I do all of the editing, but he helps with a lot of it. The art of spoken word is important because it shows your feelings, what you think in your mind. If you have no one to vent to or talk to, that is very like, it's a nice thing to do. And it was very nice to like have that experience.